Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. We are gonna do our eyebrow tutorial, shall we? First, I like to put powder on my brows. I'm gonna be using my spoolie and just start brushing my brows upward. I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. We are going to start outlining the bottom section of my brow. I'm creating a shape that I desire. Now, we are gonna do the top section of the brow. This is the shape I want. I'll just continue fill it in. I'm barely touching it, giving a slight stroke. We need a light hand because we don't want harsh eyebrows. Just take your time filling it in, you'll get there. If there's harsh line, we could always brush it out. I'm gonna use the spoolie to brush my brow to get that faded effect. We're gonna do the same on my left brow. I'm going to extend it a little to the front and brushing it upward. I'm gonna be using my concealer by L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Cashmere. For more precise brows, I'm taking this flat angled brush to remove and clean the edges. You can use just small flat brush for the bottom. For this brow, I lightly brush the concealer out. Now, our other brow we shall do. I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer for the top. Choose a shade that's closer to your skin tone. Just slightly blend it out. I'm taking an eyeshadow brush to blend the concealer out. Just enjoy blending. It's so much fun. I'm going to spray my spoolie with a hairspray. You can use an eyebrow gel. After finishing it all up, this is the final look. I certainly hope this tutorial is easy for you to understand. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you soon on the next video. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye.